Hi, I'm Rosanna Hayden, and I'm CEO of Artizen Inc. Here with me today is Hal Kalitis, Director. Artizen's headquarters is located in the San Francisco Bay Area, but we also have a satellite office out of Las Vegas, Nevada. Even though our offices are located in the West, we do provide services nationwide. I'm proud to say that Artizen is both MBE and WBE certified. Artizen takes your software related projects from conception to completion. We are a tenured consulting services firm providing artificial intelligence and digital transformation strategy, technology implementation, business process optimization, program management, and change management. That being said, our strong differentiator is our expertise in artificial intelligence and data solutions. Hal, why don't you drill down a little bit about the expertise in that area?
Sure, I'd love to do that. Thanks, Rosanna. In the AI and data solutions space, we have a practice. It's about 20 people, including 5 PhDs. We have a range of disciplines, many years experience. We're really sort of been there, done that group of people. And some of our AI and data solutions differentiators are expertise in generative AI, RAG, retrieval augmented generation architecture and development, LLM, design, development, deployment, model operations, technical leadership. We've done a lot of work in also what I would call predictive analytics, things like revenue forecasting and other types of predictive models, product 80/20 segmentation, things of that nature. And so we have a team that we can rapidly organize and bring to the table to solve a whole wide variety of problems in AI and data solutions. And also just to cover off, we have some previous work that we've submitted in, and I can mention the clients. We've done a lot of work, especially in high tech, and 2 of our largest clients are Cisco Systems and ServiceNow. And I can talk a little bit more about those specific projects. But what's next on the list, Rosanna? Should I go into that or should I?
I'll pull up the use case presentation. Hold on
Sure.
just a moment.
So I'll just start talking about this generative AI project that we did at Cisco. And we've actually consulted at Cisco across a number of departments for many years. And so particularly in the corporate finance and merger and acquisition space, we became somewhat of a trusted advisor. And particularly in AI, we were able to do some ideation with the M&A operations group. And this is a chat application that we built for generative AI that is able to answer questions in a very precise way. We did a lot of, we did the design, development, and deployment actually of this application. And it involved obviously a lot of testing. It involves a large language model. It's actually based on a OpenAI GPT-4o. But beyond that, we had to do a lot of work to make sure that the questions are being answered well. And so some of the client outcomes are around, obviously, it's a purpose-built trained application. There's a lot of productivity improvements. Used to take 10 to 15 minutes, for example, to answer a question. And now it takes seconds. And you can think of the application as responding to questions sort of at the level of, say, a college intern sort of level. It's that sort of intelligence. So faster time to insights, it unlocks a lot of different use cases for the client. And obviously it kind of democratizes and makes a self-service methodology of using generative AI in a secure way, just within the client, such that there's no data that ever goes outside. So that's just one use case. in generative AI, and I'll give another use case at ServiceNow, which is a digital transformation use case where we are involved in a project that both creates, negotiates, and signs sales contracts and sales agreements. So it's a contract lifecycle management application. And we have a team there that it's a team across product management, our people, I mean, product managers and analysts and program managers. And you can think of it as a essentially like an agile deployment and migration from a legacy system to a tool that's called iCertis, which is a digital contract lifecycle management tool in the cloud that ServiceNow wants to migrate to. And so we are involved both in managing that effort and also in the productization for that contract lifecycle management system. So that's our other use case that we wanted to submit in. And I think that's it for me. Did we want to continue? Go ahead, Rosanna.
No, thank you, Hal. I appreciate that. I'm going to stop share for a minute. Appreciate your watching this video and hope we get a chance to meet sometime soon.
Likewise.